Hey Aiden, I really hope this isn't the run. Oh my god, it might be.
It was pretty close.
So close.
It was pretty close.
You're stupid. Just at the end of his attempt.
Dude, like, I heard y'all, I'm like, oh shit, this is actually getting kind of close.
Stupid. Right at the start, baby. So the thing gets spliced. Hey, anybody trying to watch this run? This is completely spliced. This is a fake speed run. Do not verify this. This is fake. This is a fake speed run. He cheated. He's a fucking fraud.
I clipped that.
This is a fake. Just like, yo, I wonder what the 8th fastest run is. Let me look at it. It's just a fake speed run.
This is completely spliced.
Nah, cause like I passed a certain point and I saw 8 seconds. I was like, oh shit.
This is completely spliced. This is a fake speedrun. He's a fucking fraud.
I swear to God.
Oh, yeah! Oh my god! Wait, that's actually 2215. 2215.
Dude.